Yeah, no.
I may use the remote and take it out that way.
Yeah.
That's what this is very handy for right now.
Sure.
So you turn your power on.
So you didn't have to do anything over there.
No, just simply, just turn the power on.
Well, you don't even have to. The enable is just to start it. Is that right?
Yes, that's just to start. That's just that simply is the engine start.
Yep. So
Like,
once you flip that on, it's overriding the.
It's overriding
that, and you're all here.
And then it's it's just a matter like that. And then as soon as I start driving, and the engine revs out to its own speed.
That's awesome. That thing is so cool.